Can't have a free-to-play game without microtransactions. We got 89 characters. They're gonna try to beat 89 characters. They're gonna charge $5 per character, right? How much money they making off one person? Be $445 per person, sir. But I don't believe that Warner Bros. Is trying to do that, sir. I believe all their character content is going to be free. Or is it? What else we got? Gas prices.
RickWa reacts.
What up, folks? Tis RickWa, and for this video's reactions, it's gonna be two, which are both by MightyKeef. And first one is gonna be how Nintendo reacted to Multiversus. This is gonna be interesting. Oh man. And then the last one of this one is going to be how Blizzard pitched Diablo Immortal. And I haven't played any of Diablo, but, you know, this will definitely be interesting to see how MightyKeef puts all this into perspective involving that. But, yeah, so I will say with the whole, like, consistency of me posting or uploading my videos, I was trying to, you know, experiment to see how, like, uploading, like, once a week would work. And that's kind of not the move I've been realizing, and I really do apologize to my supporters and fans out there who do enjoy my content and who do, you know, enjoy laughing along with me, or, you know, getting excited or like, whoa type of thing, like, as, like, you know, I'm watching and, you know, like, whatever y'all are watching with me and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just trying to just, like, figure things out, the whole, like, uploading schedule and consistency with it. So, you know, I'm very thankful for everyone's patience and especially support thus far and going forward as I'm trying to, you know, like, grow and improve with my content creation journey within my reaction channel and along with my other YouTube channel, which I will make sure to put in the description as well too, which is also, you know, tied to my stream, which I'll also put in the description as well. In which that channel has, like, stream clips and all that stuff. But either way, back to the main point at hand. So let me switch over to the green screen webcam real quick. Alright, there we go, folks. And also, please be sure to support MightyKeef. You know, check out his channel, check out his videos, and check out any other content creators that I react to as well too. I always make sure to put the content creators' channel and their videos in the description below. So please be sure to support them within their content creation journey, just as y'all, you know, support me within my content creation journey. And, you know, before I get started, I'd like to give a very special thank you to everyone for the positive support from watching my videos, liking my videos, the positive comments on my videos, sharing my content around, and also for, you know, especially subscribe to my channel and smacking that bell button so y'all know when it is that I am posting new content onto my reaction channel. And I greatly appreciate the support and patience thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks. But without further ado, let's get started on this first one, shall we?
I am MightyKeef. So I tell the guy at Starbucks, I say, this isn't my order. This isn't my coffee. I like my coffee like I like myself. Strong, black, and full of depression. Tell me, sir, what is a black man doing in Starbucks anyway? The better question is, what is a black guy doing as the head of Nintendo Japan?
Sir, call for you on line 1. Call for you on line 1.
Yes. What?
What?
No. Are you? No. Are you kidding me?
Oh, son of my Multiversus.
Bottom feeders.
Ah!
Scavengers.
Ah!
I don't believe I understand. How long have we been supplying the world with the greatest showcasing of iconic characters and a 1v1 or free-for-all battle? Since 99,
Yep.
sir. And how many problems do I got? 99, sir. And why does one of those problems have to be Warner Brothers cashing in on my retirement?
Damn!
Don't tell me. For 2 decades, I have perfected this formula of game. And they think they can just come up here and take it all from me? It's a travesty, sir. It's blasphemy, sir. It's heresy, sir. It's all of the sins I can imagine.
Use these big words.
I got Mario, I got Zelda, I got Donkey Kong, I got the Street Fighter Shoto Boys, I got Bayonetta. I got characters that only your granddad knows about.
Damn!
What in the world does Warner Bros. Have? Warner Bros. Actually has Harry Potter, DC characters, Lord of the Rings, Scooby and the Gang, Mortal Kombat characters, all of Cartoon Network, all of HBO, LeBron James, and sir, you're gonna have to come with us. Sir, you're gonna have to come with us.
Damn, Nintendo must have been
Hey, Dad.
kinda...
We're going to beat his ass as well. Yeah. Come on. So would you like me to start the propaganda tweets?
Yo!
Microtransactions. Can't have a free-to-play game without microtransactions. We got 89 characters. They're gonna try to beat 89 characters. They're gonna charge $5 per character, right? How much money they making off one person? Be $445 per person, sir. But I don't believe that Warner Bros. Is trying to do that, sir. I believe all their character content is going to be free. Or is it? What else we got? Gas prices, sir. Think about it. Gas prices weren't this high when I was in charge.
Damn!
Warner Bros. Creates surge in gas prices.
Yo! Honestly, I can imagine Nintendo actually trying to do some like that, but in all seriousness involving these prices with this gas, yo, absolute ass. Come on, when is the gas going to drop in price? Oh man.
Somehow, we need to correlate the crack epidemic in black neighborhoods during the 1980s. With Warner Bros. Exist? Nice, sir. Don't you think that would be a little too much? Oh, I don't think it's enough. Dinosaurs have been around longer than humans. How in the world they just vanish? You know what I mean? Did Warner Bros. Cause dino extinction? Warner Bros.
No!
What's up with that, huh? Where are the women? Warner Bros. Misogynistic? Question mark? This is gonna be a lesson to everybody. Once they're done, I don't have to worry about any other Smash clones trying to rise up against me. Because they understand that Nick All-Star Brawl just got full voice acting. Son of a...
Boy, that's just crazy.
Yo. Oh, that is actually... That's some buck wild shit. Oh, fucking props. That's hilarious. And I will say though, shout outs to the Nickelodeon All-Star Smash clone thing. I'm sorry that I'm having a brain fart and forgetting the actual full title of that Nickelodeon game, but shout outs to them for at least finally being able to get full voice acting in there, to say the bare minimum at least. But now on to this next one, how Blizzard pitched Diablo Immortal. Words sometimes be tough, folks, so that's why I'm trying to make sure I pronounce everything correctly and all that stuff. Also, the the thumbnail for that is oh man, that shit is too funny. Now on to the video.
I am MightyKeef. Guys, we're going downhill. We need something and we need something fast. Sir, what about Diablo? Diablo? We're already working on Diablo 4. What if we made Diablo for the phone? My God, that's perfect. Everyone has phones. Who doesn't have phones? Don't y'all have phones? And we can sell it for $100,000 per person. Wait,
what?
What? I mean, make it free to play. Okay. If it's free to play, everyone will pay it. What? Everyone will play it. Oh. What's next? What's next? PvP, right?
What?
Everyone loves PvP. The kids out there, they love PvP. We'll make it PvP. Okay, and what's your idea of balancing the PvP? How about whoever has the heaviest credit card wins? Sir, I'm beginning to think you're willfully trying to put paywalls around the progression system in a very, very progression-based game.
Yeah.
What would give you that impression? It's just a hunch.
Oh. It's the Kingdom Hearts 2 battle music for me, as the guy that's like giving the cash grab suggestions. Oh no, yo. Oh. You hate to see some shit like that happening, yo. Oh man. Oof.
You seem to think I want to monetize people's grinding and playing in this game. No, I just want people to play the game and grind in the game like normal while we make money off of it. What about the people who just don't want to pay at all, right? Because we are marketing this as a free game on mobile. That's fine. Hey, anybody who wants to play the game and pay no money, they're welcome to do that. They can max their character out just like anybody else. They can gear up to max level without paying a cent. Okay. How long exactly would that take?
There's that tense music.
No, it depends on the player. 1 month, 2 months, 10 years. Who knows, you know? So you don't find anything wrong with this? Do I answer that truthfully? People are going to run the numbers and find out that a free-to-play player will take 10 years to achieve what little Timmy did in 3 minutes with his mom's credit card.
Damn!
I think I get your concern. Yeah. No, yeah. We need to market this to more little Timmys. You're a genius. Sir, come on, what's the worst that can happen? Huh? It's not like this game is gonna be the all-time worst user score rated game in existence.
Oh, no!
Foreshadowing. What do you propose we name this thing? That's a good question. I mean, this thing really has to represent what the game is about, what our virtues stand for, huh? Let's make it Diablo, kind of. Diablo, sort of. Diablo, maybe. I got it. Diablo money. Cause it give us money. Okay, look, to really drive home the endless and everlasting siphon of money we will take from our fans' pockets. Why don't we call this Diablo Immortal? I guess the last thing is, what are we gonna do with the people on PC? What about them? A PC is a very vast majority of our fan base, right? The game, it started on PC. How do you it has to be on PC. Okay, well, just put it on PC. Awesome, we'll have it on PC with a PC dedicated layout and controls and HUD that's very intuitive and well presentable for
Oh, there's that tense music. That ominous, tense
We're not
music.
gonna have any of that, are we? Just put it on PC.
Boy, that's just crazy.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, yo. Man. Oh, yo. You hate to see some shit like that happen, where they're trying to charge money when need not be. It's just like, oh, oof. And then Nintendo and Sakurai be big mad about Multiversus and Nickelodeon doing the damn thing, yo. Oh, yo. But good stuff to both of these videos, to say the least. And, you know, definitely good stuff to MightyKeef, you know, for doing the damn thing and, you know, all that good stuff. But let me switch over to the regular webcam. Alright, there we go, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed that as much as I did, because both those were definitely very enjoyable. And again, please be sure to support MightyKeef and any of his other content that he posts, along with any other content creators that I react to as well too. Support them in their content creation journey, and check out their channel and their videos that they upload and all that good stuff. But either way, I'm a skibbity dip for now, and y'all have gotten this far. I do greatly appreciate it, and please be sure to leave a like, leave a positive comment, share this video around, and any of my other videos as well too. And if y'all have not already, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button so that y'all know when it is that I am posting new content onto my reaction channel. And until the next reaction video, folks, peace out.